Bukay yan. Kulang pa. Ha? Kulang pa. Kulang sa liwanag.
Good afternoon, everyone. This is the House Rule. I am Reynaldo Militante, the Chief of the Investigation Division. House Rule, while during the proceedings, let us be keep quiet for fast and efficient communication. Today is May 6, 2025. We are here for the conduct of administrative proceedings against Aliana Marie A. Ginaldo, aka Diana Matutlag. Appearances for the prosecution.
Marvin Herrera, Special Investigator 3, Intelligence and Investigation.
Ralph Caliban, Special Investigator 2,
Defense counsel.
For the defense, Attorney Herrera.
Can you please move your face back?
Cellphone, pakita ko. Cellphone.
Attorney Herrera.
Okay.
For the defense.
Sir, you are okay. Sir Jimmy, so ikaw po yung nasa pick-up. Okay, Secretary, kindly take your oath. This administrative for administrative. Our part of the defense counsel will be okay.
Raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear and affirm that whatever you testify in this proceeding will only be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Okay, tayo. Sa gilid ka.
Before we start, I would like to ask the prosecution to present the facts of the case. First, the video that being sent to this office, and then later we verify the authenticity. Please present the video first.
Yes, Mr. Chair. Prosecuting any video, please.
Yung Bernie, bakit nga ba? Bakit nga ba? Super good. Super good naman. Ayan na, pick up! Sakay natin! Sorry, ano? Bakit nga ba? Bakit nga ba? Bakit nga ba?
Alam mo mong lupok-lupok yung lahat?
You tell me! Bakit nga ba? No, you tell me! You tell me!
Bakit ka mamamakilog?
Bakit nga ba? You tell me!
Nabigit nyo ating
May side mirror pa ako wala! Hindi ba ko wala side mirror mo? Ikaw naman? Ikaw mo ganon! You use your side mirror! Ikaw!
Well, ready mo yung battery. Ha? Battery.
Pabanyan ka pa? Sira ulo. They want fucking sleep somewhere. Myself. Tawagin ko yung sa aking pick-up. Pichat. Ano mo, bababaan mo pa ako bago. Oo. Kapag nabunilin ko ng bago po,
prosecution. May I know when the exact incident happened?
Mr. Chair, the incident happened on May 6, 2025 at around 2 p.m. The incident happened in Zambales. Mr. Chair.
Also, prosecution, may I know the history of whether or not Miss Diana has obstructions or any 4136 violation?
Yes, Mr. Chair. Upon verifications, Mr. Chair, the records of Ms. Yan is clear, and there's no any obstruction or violations, infractions.
Prior to the
Prior to the incident.
Also, prosecutions, I would like to know the registration of the motorcycle, whether or not it is for Miss Diana or that is being registered to other person.
Yes, Mr. Chair. Thank you for the question, Mr. Chair. Actually, we have not identified the vehicle. That will be a part of our investigation and inquiry to the supposedly Miss Yan. However, she is not here and only the representing lawyer. Apparently, the record shows that only one motorcycle is under the name of Miss Yana, which is a Kawasaki motorcycle with plate number 775 UDO, and not the same as the subject dirt bike vehicle during the incident.
Not the motorcycle. Okay. Is the driver's license of Miss Diana is still under identification?
Yes, Mr. Chair. We have put it under alarm and preventive suspended for 90 days and pending the investigation.
Sir Jimmy, can you narrate to us, pwede niyo po bang ikwento sa amin kung paano po ba ang incident po?
Ganito po yun eh. Yung unang kasama niya, nauna, yung ay magkakit sa akin.
Saan po ba siya ng overstay? Sa right or sa left?
Bakit?
Okay.
Tapos, sakit na ako, tapos isang tricycle, tapos ito, yung babae. Pinagitnaan ako. Hindi mo pinakita lahat sa video. Kaya napatanto ko sa iyo. Pero binupak-lupak ko, yung malalim na lupak.
Okay.
Okay lang naman sa akin kahit namak ko siya. Ang problema doon, hinintay ako sa kulay. Kaya bumaba ako. Akala ko lalaki. Babae ng pala, kaya naglero ko. Ilang lang po sa akin.
Okay, I have some questions to Mr. Jimmy but I will answer that. I would like to recognize the counsel for Ms. Yana.
Thank you.
Sir, go ahead.
Yes, sorry to say that she cannot attend to this hearing because of security reasons. So, inadvertently, na-divulge yung address niya. Diba? So, maraming mga threats daw ang dumating sa kanya. Merong mga nagpapadala ng kung ano-ano. So, I highly suggest na sabi ko, you better remain sa house na lang. Kasi baka mamaya kung ano mangyari along the way, you can never tell. Sunod-sunod yung mga insidente na nababalitaan natin. And on top of it, we will no longer contest the incident, the accusations, but rather meron siyang letter. So it is, can I submit it or should I read it?
That will be the offer of, that is the offer of evidence, and we will accept the written explanation because that is also one of the...
Actually, this is not an written explanation, it's an apology letter.
Okay,
From her.
but when you read the show cause order, I requested her to file her comment
Yes.
and explanation relative to the incident.
Yes.
So therefore, we expect also that the written complaint be filed in this office, and that is the reason why I said that that is a core part of our evidence and for the fast resolution of the case. It is okay. I will permit you if you want to read that to the public, and then later you submit that officially as our
Later on.
part.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
I will permit you to counsel to read the statement of this.
The first start, even I'm not involved in this case, I will personally say thank you for your patience. Dahil sa ganung road rage, hindi lumala. Kasi we are also advocate for road safety. And even sila, and then...
Sir, since you made the gestures of gentleman here as a defense counsel, it is better as for us also for the public to see your face, because you are also advocating a safety.
The reason being I'm wearing face mask because meron akong mali pa na anak. And I'm refraining to any further contagious or kahit ano mga sipon, yun lang yung reason, health reason.
So, big time.
Thank you.
Can you tell first your complete name, sir? People need that. So
Okay.
that,
I'm Attorney Ace Randolph Corrado.
alright.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you. This apology letter, personally executed by Miss Yana. Ako po, si Ayana Marie A. Aguinaldo, o mas kilala na Yana Motovlog, na nasangkot sa isang insidente sa probinsya ng Zambales. At kinasangkutan ng isang driver po ng pick-up na sasakyan. Ayaw ko na pong pangalanan para maiwasan na rin po ang paglaki at masimulan ko ang pagbabago at pagiging matuwid sa ganitong pamamaraan. Ako po ay humihingi ng sinserong pagpapaumanhin dahil napagdesisyonan ko na po na hindi sumagot at humarap na ng personal sa show cause order sa LTO. Ano man po ang maging desisyon patungkol sa aking maling nagawa ay lubos ko pong gagalangin at mapagkumbabang tatanggapin ang anumang kaparusahan na maaaring ipataw sa akin ng inyong ahensya. Maliban po sa inyong ahensya, nais ko sana pong ipabatid sa pamamagitan ng sulat na ito ang lubos ko rin at paulit-ulit kong paghingi ng sorry sa tao, sa kasama sa kanyang buong pamilya, sa naidulot kong abala at kahihiyan. Nawa ay maghilom ang sugat ng aking naidulot sa tamang panahon. At sa lahat ng iba pang tao na nadamay, nasaktan o nagkaroon ng masamang epekto sa kanilang buhay, ang aking naging asad at kasalanan, patawad po. Alam ko po na hindi sapat ang sorry. Ngayon ay hinaharap ko ang kinahinatnan ng aking nagawa. Ang aking buong pamilya, lalo na ang maliit kong kapatid ay nadadamay. Samot-sari, kaliwat kanan ang mga insulto, negatibong komento at pagbabanta sa seguridad ng aking pamilya. Ako lang may pagkakamali, pero kasama at nadamay sila sa pagdurusa na nagawa ko. Ito ang pinakamasakit na katotohanan at leksyon na hinaharap ko ngayon. Ang paliwanag ko sa aking panig ay gagawin ko sa tamang lugar at pagkakataon. Ito po ay para hindi na humingi ng simpatya, kundi magsilbing aral sa iba pang maaaring masadlak sa ganitong sitwasyon. Nawa ay hindi na maulit pa at gayahin ang aking maling nagawa dahil mabigat sa pakiramdam, mahirap bumangon at nakakadurog ng pagkatao ang ganitong kasalanan sa iba. Kaya ngayon, ang simula ng pagbabago at pagbawi ko sa aking sarili sa loob ng aking tahanan kasama ng aking buong pamilya. Muli, lubos pong paghingi ng paumanhin ng aking batid at pasasalamat sa anumang konsiderasyon at pag-unawa ng inyong maaaring maibahagi sa akin. Kumagalang, Ayana Mariana A. Aguinaldo.
Thank you.
Thank you po, Mr. Chair.
Sir, just a follow-up question. Did you bring the license, driver's license of this?
Actually, I was not able, but I will make a necessary promise, Your Honor, Your Chair, to bring it as soon as possible.
Yes.
She was not able to hand it to anyone or anybody.
Because it is also in the show cause order that the driver's license of this is direct. That I was the one who directed her to surrender because hindi naman naman po niya magagamit niya
Yes.
the entire. Just not to further make it worse, no, kasi naka-alarm ang license niya. Eh kung mahuli siya or ano pa man, masangkot siya sa isang accident or any, not only, hindi natin hinihingi yung pagkakataon, ano, clarify mo. But kung meron mang mangyari ulit, ma-side street man siya o hindi man niya kasalanan, kung naka-alarm po yung driver's license, it may be closed. So,
The personal undertake, Your Honor, Mr. Chair, sorry, to immediately surrender the
Yes.
driver's license in this office.
yes.
I'll personally undertake that.
When you can do that?
This week,
outside?
Mr. Chair.
Today is Tuesday.
Yes.
Today is Tuesday. I am directing you to
Until Friday.
No, this Tuesday. Thursday.
Thursday lang.
Thursday at 10 o'clock in the morning. Please surrender the driver's license of this.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
We will be the one who will go to keep sick, to keep her.
Thank you for consideration, Mr. Chair.
So again, how about who is the owner of the motorcycle that she's
It belongs to one of her friends, but she did not divulge it any further.
So, dyan tayo, sir, counsel, because we want to inspect the motorcycle because one of the charge here is the motorcycle operating without side mirror. So we want to know the veracity of that report, and then we want to know also the registration of the motorcycle. So, what we will do, counsel, we want to see the motorcycle, the registration. Can you give us the detail?
Mr. Chair, I'll just make the necessary coordination with Yana, and to ask her whether or not the owner of the motor vehicle will comply also.
Because the hearing today will not stop on this Yana. It will go through the motorcycle itself because we want to know if that motorcycle is a roadworthy. So whether we like it or not, we will go into investigate who is the owner of the motorcycle, and we want to see physically the motorcycle for inspection. So I am also counsel directed you to bring the motorcycle on Tuesday, 10 o'clock in the morning. Thursday. What is that date, Secretariat?
May 9? This Thursday, Mr. Chair.
Thursday.
May 8.
So that we can finish that by May 8. Please bring the ORCR of the motorcycle, plus the motorcycle itself, plus the
Driver's
driver's license. Counsel.
Maybe may I suggest, Mr. Chair, that the actual owner be present on that day.
Okay.
Because I wouldn't get involved, or I will not touch that motorcycle.
Okay.
And then,
It is
so,
good. It is right, counsel.
So,
I will not going to issue any more an order, a written order, but I am directing you as a counsel to bring the owner of the motorcycle on Tuesday.
and the motorcycle.
And then make, this is a clarification for the body that Tuesday 10 a.m. will be the last hearing of this case. Thursday. Counsel, just to wrap up, please surrender the driver's license of Ms. Yana. Second, please bring the owner of the motorcycle together with the proper documents of the motorcycle for inspection purposes here at the North Inspection.
Yes, sir.
Dito ulit.
Is any manifestation council?
Mr. Chair, just like to say again, sorry to Mr. Jimmy and thank you for having long patience.
Sir Jimmy, meron po ba kayong gustong itagdag? Meron po ba kayong gustong sabihin? At kayo naman po patitigyan. So, I would like to say thank you, Sir Jimmy, for your patience sa ano, nung sabi mo nga, nung nakita mo babae, naglayo ka. Pero na akong isang question. What if lalaki? So, meaning to say, yung init din ang ulo mo, gaganon ka rin, o tatapatan mo rin yung init ng ulo mo. Okay. So, yes, sabi, clarify ko lang yan ha. So, wala ka naman naisip na kung lalaki yung pagubad ng ano, you will physically harm also. Hindi naman po. So, thank you ha sa gano'n ng mga sitwasyon na hindi tayo umaabot sa pisikalan tulad ng iba na nai-investigahan. Manifestation from the
Sir, for the prosecution.
prosecutor.
Considering the admission of Ms. Yana as contained in the letter and the admission and apology, the prosecution moves that the violations akin to her being a driver, which is personal in nature, sir, particularly the reckless driving and improper person to operate a motor vehicle, be imputed against her, sir. The prosecution recommends to the Honorable Chair the immediate imposition of reckless driving and improper person to operate a motor vehicle. And the offense akin to the registered owner, item number 2 and 3, failure to attach MV plates and MV operating without or with defective motor vehicle parts, be checked on Thursday, sir, for further checking and for verification of the veracity, sir.
The manifestation of the prosecution is hereby granted as the proper procedure.
Thank you, folks, sir.
Any last manifestation from the prosecution? Any clarification?
None, sir.
I am also directing the intelligence investigation be present on Thursday, May 8, 10 o'clock for the process of the motorcycle verification. Tell the head of the FL section, Francis Lapitan, his team to be present at the given time. Sir Jimmy, any words, any manifestation, binibigyan po namin kayo ng malayang pagpapahayag sa sinapit po ninyo. Meron pa po ba kayong gusto idagdag? Sir Jimmy, for you, gusto ko pong ang LTO ay nagpapasalamat po unang-una sa presensya ninyo. Ito po palagi ang sinasabi ng aking Assistant Secretary sa Secretary Dosa. Malimang na ang Council, Attorney, would like to thank you personally for your presence today. And I just want you to remind what the chair requested from your including the present, the owner of the registered motorcycle. With that, today's proceeding is temporarily suspended until Thursday, May 8, 2025. So ordered. Secretariat, receive that, tatakan ng officially received. Okay, thank you. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, sir.